Hey girls, I am in the G-string right now, and you? Have you already started wearing thongs? German supermodel Heidi Klum always wears a thong because normal knickers make her feel like a grandmother. The leggy stunner, like a lot of girls, is a firm believer that panties should be small and unseen rather than larger and visible through clothes. She says, once you wear a thong for a few weeks, you get used to it. When someone has big panties on underneath their clothes, you can always see them. I think it is far more uncomfortable to wear a big panty. I feel like a grandmother. Yes girls, thongs are tiny, elegant, and invisible. But some girls do not wear them. The potential health problems caused by thongs are myth. Millions of girls wear thongs on a daily basis, and they feel pretty good. The mission of our channel is to help girls realize that wearing thongs can make life better. If you wear thongs properly, they are comfortable. Take advantage of wearing thongs and use your feminine power to express yourself. This is Indian model Madhu Prabha, who has recently converted to thong wearer. She said, "It is not isolation but self-confidence. It is not being pretentious, but overcoming insecurities. It is not brush but empowerment." She is really happy wearing thongs. Let us review the Nelly.com online shop. It provides a large variety of elegant clothing. Yes, all their models wear thongs. Wow, she is cool. Which style of swimsuit is now trendy? With thong bottoms only. So, be proud of your curves and get the perfect tan. If you ask a skinny, beautiful, and gorgeous model, which kind of underwear do you wear? She will definitively answer, I wear thongs. If you decide to wear thongs on a daily basis, don't you forget about thong sanitary pads. They allow you to wear thongs every time. So, that's it. Remember, cool girls wear thongs. Bye.